All right, let's take a look at FineTuning. This is an app that will allow you to generate original royalty-free music from text prompts with commercial rights, MP3 downloads, and multi-language lyrics. So it's really good for background tracks for the way that I look at it, for content, YouTube content, Instagram, TikTok, all that, for definitely for content creators. That's the major audience that this serves, podcasters, videographers, and it does have an integration API, REST API, and Stripe. We're going to come through and just take a look at the pricing. License tier 1 is $49. You won't get the custom branding or the API access. You'll get 500 monthly generations, number of tracks at a time, 3. Looks like you get access to all the other goodies in there. License tier 2, $149, and that's 2,000 monthly generations. I think that you could be comfortable with. I know, honestly, if you're just trying to use this for, your YouTube content or anything, I definitely think that this is one that you could safely get license tier 1 and be happy with. If you're going to actually go out there and try to create these and maybe actually create a business out of this and sell these tracks, you could sell these, on Fiverr or something like that. Then maybe license tier 2 or license tier 3 would be something that you'd be interested in. License tier 3 comes in at $279, 5,000 monthly generations, 20 tracks at a time. I don't even know how you would be, able to pump it fast enough. And I don't really know what the tracks at a time actually means. And yeah, so those are the only, so it's license tier 3 right there. Looks like it's been around since June 2025. So it's looking at about like 10, 11 months right now. A very, very new company. And overall, it's got a 4.4 star rating out of 21 ratings. Some users find the abundance of options initially daunting and lack of tutorials limiting. However, with a 4.4 positive feedback, it's a solid buy for those in need of original royalty-free music. Let's go jump right into the tool. Now, I've already taken it for a test drive, and right off the bat, I will tell you something that I really like about it. And which one am I on? I got 5,000 credits. Let's see. So 5,000 credits right over here. So I'm on license tier 3. And I will say this, that I fooled around with it for like maybe 20 minutes or so. I created a bunch of songs. We'll go listen to those. This review will definitely be me just showing you what it created, and then we'll show you around real quick. But I think the UI is actually really simple to use. You're going in here and you're creating music, and it pretty much does the work for you. I think I was very impressed with some of the soundtracks that it actually created, or the songs that it created. It can do non-lyric or non-vocal, so just instrumental music tracks for you. That's definitely going to be useful for your background music. But then also, if you wanted to kind of create like an avatar music artist and create a Spotify account and all that, I don't know if they if they can recognize if you create AI music or anything like that. I don't know how all that works, guys. If they kind of have AI filtering, kind of like Amazon, for example, when you publish content, they're looking for patterns, really bad AI stuff. I don't know if that exists with music, and I don't know how you would do that, because some of the music that it created was really, really good. And then I want to just come over here to the 4,992, right? Like, just look at that. There's 8, I only used 8 credits. And I have literally created a bunch. We come over here to library, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I created 8 tracks, and it only was 1 credit per track. So I could come in here and create 5,000 tracks per month. Is just nuts, in my opinion. Of course, some of them it's going to create, and it's AI, right? You might listen to it and you might no, I'm going to scrap that one, and you might not like it. And if you don't like it, you just come to the 3 dots and you can just delete it, right? And you can, there's all these settings. You can add it to the playlists and save and all that stuff. So really, really cool. But I'm very impressed with a very straightforward credit system. You create a track, it's 1 credit. I mean, simple as that, right? Why can't all these software companies do that, right? You do this and it's 1 credit. That's it, right? And so maybe, some softwares, maybe it's not as straightforward because there's a lot going on in the background. But in this one, you're going to get complete straightforward. You create a track, it's 1 credit. And this is where, creating even 500 tracks on license tier 1, you definitely are not going to be dissatisfied with that. So very impressed with, I think that the value for the money on this one. I'm going to very much focus on that and highlight that I think that this is a steal. If you need AI music creation and background tracks and all that, and let's say you are a videographer, or you are somebody that does video editing, and you need background tracks, and you don't want to have to pay for some of those other third-party tools, $30, $40, $50 a month and all that, this could be something worth looking at for sure. Okay. So very, very impressed with the pricing and the credit system. Okay. So what you come over here to home, you're going to get all these different options over here, featured tracks. Now, all these that you see on the home page are yours to, like, it'll tell you how many times it's been played, I believe. I don't know if that's how many times it's been downloaded or played, but you can come over here and you can go like this.
Hands up to the neon sky. We're electric and we're flying high.
Now that's AI literally created that. It sounds like a song that you hear on the radio, right? Like and if you want to come to the three dots over here, you can use this prompt right here. You can copy the prompt and let's see over here. Will it let you download this one? So we have browse by mood, jump into a track right here. Now you can come over here and let's just say right here, these ones are trending. So let's just say we play. So this was a melancholic, dreamy, mysterious late night, moderate, building intense. There is some lyrics going on in there, but I'm not seeing a download right there, a download button. Now I thought that you were able to come in here and like download these, but you can just use, so it looks like it's being played. You can use the prompt and come in here and create a track right there. I'm going to go back to home because this is a little different than what I thought. There's a create button up here, obviously your library, but these are just tracks that have been created by other people using the tool and you can play it, but I'm not seeing, I thought that I saw the download button. Okay, that's how you do it. Let's see right over here. You can go, yeah, you can add these to your playlist and listen to them, but I'm not seeing the download right there. I thought for sure when I was looking at this yesterday that you could download other people's tracks, but it doesn't look like that's the case. They share the track with you just to show what people are creating with the system, but I am not seeing that you can copy the prompt and go and get something similar, but I am not seeing the download. Well, I'm going to click on this real quick one more time, and yeah, there's no download button. So very important to know that. So let's just go and start sampling. So obviously you go and you create a track, and let's just go modern pop right here. You use the simple, right? So if we're under simple, you're just going to select something. You can select the minutes right here. Let's just create a 1 minute song real quick and make it fast. And then if you click this button, include lyrics, you can go and paste lyrics in. And for some of these, so this does not unlock, but like I've seen that if you select some of these, like rap or something like that, it will automatically create a song for you. So let me go and see if I can find the one that does that. If you go to boom bap hip hop cypher, see how I click on that one? It automatically writes a rap song for you, which is really cool. I don't see a lot of other ones that actually come with automatic. So what you can do is you just go into Claude or ChatGPT or something like that, and you just say, hey, write me a 2 minute song about blah, blah, blah. It will write it. And I already did that. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. And then you just paste those lyrics into here, select your language. And let's see, they have got quite a bit of languages in there. And then you would go and create it. But we'll go with non-included lyrics. We will go back over and just go with modern pop real quick. Again, go back over here and we're just going to go with that with a 1 minute. And then you just click fine tune it. So now it's going to go out there and create. You can see right in front of you, it's composing the melodies, the layering. It's going to go and actually create this for us. It's very, very fast as well. We'll be right back. Okay, so let's go over here. It automatically will just play once it's done. So let's just go over here and show you. So it's just instrumental. We can copy this. We can add an image for the logo or art right there. We can edit the name right here, and we can download it and we can share it as well. We can download it as MP3 and WAV right there, and we can create new, or we can add it to our, it's going to automatically get added to our library. So that's how you create that. Let me go and show you how we create real quick, how you create let's just go with modern pop. I'm just going to go with that for now, 2 minutes. And then actually, no, let's just show you in real time, but you can copy and paste, like I said, copy and paste your verse and everything right here. And I did that. I'm going to show you that right after this one, but just show you, let's go back over here to the rap song. Click on that. We'll go with the 2 minutes, and then we'll go with include lyrics. And then we will just go and fine tune it. We'll be right back. So I just wanted to point out, like, that's how fast you can create tracks with this. You do just like click a couple buttons, push a button, and then it's done in about 1 or 2 minutes. So it's extremely fast, high quality. I'm very impressed with it. I don't have anything bad to say about this tool. It just does what it says it's going to do. It works. So let's come back and take a look at what this creates for us in just a sec. And notice the timestamp up in the top right-hand corner. This is very fast. Now watch this. Digging a little bit to get warmed up. Here we go. Long intro. Here we go.
Late train pulls in, platform humming low. Steam off the coffee, steam off the show. We've been grinding at the desk, till the windows turning gold. Writing every line, so it don't ever get old. Boom bap, heartbeat city on the loop. Boom bap, tell the truth and the truth gonna move. Boom bap, every bar.
Okay, so there you go. I mean, that's ridiculous. That's where we're at in 2026 with AI music. That is, it's insane. I would put this as more impressive than image creation is ridiculous, video creation, and then now we have music, literally full-blown written lyrics. The boom bap was a little cheesy, right? I would recommend getting really good at writing your own AI prompts if you want AI. AI can write lyrics really well because it recognizes patterns and haikus, and it understands poetry and rhyming. It also understands words and things like that. So like if you could create a prompt, and that's what I would recommend if you want to be successful with creating like actual real AI songs with lyrics and stuff, create prompts that it requires a little bit of human touch in the prompt each time that will really kind of shape the lyrics, where AI does 90% of the heavy lifting, but you kind of control like the mood and the and so forth, right? So, and the messaging and things like that, right? So very, very impressive. Now you can go into advanced over here. You can create a prompt. You just put it in here. Hey, I want some cinematic music. And I've done this before, and I'll just show you kind of what it created. But you can say cinematic motivational music, background music for, a corporate music video or corporate YouTube video or something like that, right? And you can include lyrics. You can choose the mood right here. You can go to genre and select the genre, and you can select multiple. You can really combo out your music and create like a certain sound that maybe has never really been created before, right? And then you can go with scene, and you don't have to select all these. You can, and you don't have to select any of these if you don't want to. You have the energy, you have the instruments. You can even control instruments if you don't want any acoustic guitar, or if you just want it to be a piano or something like that, right? Like you can create drum styles, vocals right here, the production style, lo-fi tape. You've got crunchy, polished, pristine, bit crushed, and then you have your error right here. You can even go with 70s funk, 70s disco, 80s synthwave, 90s R&B, 90s hip hop, things like that. So then you have these presets over here that you can go with as well. And then there's even some advanced settings right over here that you can take a look at. You've got your seed, you've got your length, of course, right here. You've got your beats per minute you get to control. You have these other ones, vibe, happy, mood, and surprise me, time signatures. So you can really, really fine tune this the way you'd like before you push the create button, which is really, really awesome. So I'm going to go over here and we'll end with just showing you some examples of some of the things that we have created. Let's go with the ones I started from the beginning, and let's listen. So this is a campfire indie folk, and I think it's an instrumental. And I recommend labeling your songs.
Moon came up slow like it had somewhere to be, and the river kept time with the low and below.
I mean, this sounds really good, guys.
And oh, if the summer ever ends, I'll keep the smoke of it with me. And oh, if we lose our way again, I'll come looking by the old tree.
Even has a little solo right there, a little added texture to the song, and so it's not just so AI. It sounds really good, like on the surface. Obviously, if you're a musician, I play piano, guitar, sing a little as well, and it's really good for my hearing and everything, and my taste. Some of the things that I think that we need to have a little bit more control over is like this song that I just played for you. It started off with a male, and then it went into it's kind of like a group, right? And then it had a female sing after the male, but I didn't really say to do that in the prompt or anything like that, right? So AI is going to kind of do what it wants to, right? You can control, I didn't show you that, but under advanced, right? You can control if you want male vocals, female vocals, and all that. But I think for a song exactly like this, if you wanted to create an entire track like this, or an entire CD or whatever, right? Like 10, 12 songs, and with those exact male vocals and the exact female vocals, I don't think you'd be able to pull that off. I may be wrong, but I don't think you'll be able to pull that off. I think you're going to get something kind of unique every single time. Let's go listen to some more. So this is what I did on this one, chilling jazz, but I went ahead and put the dash and put instrumental so I know that it's an instrumental. Okay, let's listen to this one. Another cinematic orchestral instrumental. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so modern pop.
City lights are dripping gold.
Okay, so this is one that these next three, I think, or at least these two right here. No, actually this one right here, yes. So these ones right over here, I used lyrics that I let AI create for me, like Claude or something like that, right? So I copied them from Claude or ChatGPT, it might have been ChatGPT, and pasted them into, and then so it's actually, and I told ChatGPT write a 2-minute song. It wrote a 2-minute song. I didn't choose anything like that, like the subject or anything. And then what I did was I took that and I pasted it in, and I said 2-minute video or 2-minute song. So here's what you got.
On the window of your car, you said don't let the night get old. So we chased another star. I was running from the silence. You were dancing.
Now there's a lot of auto-tune, kind of. You're gonna get an auto-tune, but like that's how pop music sounds, anyways, right?
I don't know where this is going, but I know I don't wanna leave. Every second feels like motion when you're standing next to me. You got that electric heart.
So that's pretty good, guys.
Waiting up to midnight. Pull me out of who I was.
And this one's the single female singer, and it sounds her voice, it doesn't change much. The AI, it sounds like her the entire time, which is really, really good. Here's one that's more energetic, aggressive rock with the same lyrics. Now let's check this one out.
City lights are dripping gold on the window of your car. You said don't let the night get old, so we chased another star. I was running from the silence. You were dancing through the dark. Then you looked at me like lightning and rewired my heart. I don't know where this is going, but I know I don't wanna leave. Every second feels like motion when you're standing next to me. You got that electric heart, lighting up the midnight.
Pretty good. Let's go to this one.
Chased another star. I was running from the silence. You were
Here's a Latin
dancing through the
reggaeton
dark.
instrumental. This one I selected instrumental, but it actually used these lyrics.
I don't know where this is going.
Okay, so the last one. This one, I took those lyrics and said create a rap song.
Late train pulls in, platform humming low. Steam off the coffee, steam off the show. We've been grinding at the desk till the windows turning gold.
So there's another rap song for you. So all in all, very impressed with FineTuning. You can get it for $49, $129 for license tier 2 and license tier 3, $279. I think that this one is a steal. If you need this in your arsenal, this is probably the best one that I've seen. It's creating really, really good music tracks. It's very fast. Everything worked. I think that you get a lot of credits for the price. Overall, very impressed with this one. This one I have to give like a 4.8 out of 5 stars. This one really, really shines. Link will be below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.